Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in the community of Westgate Hills, Montego Bay, sits this 8-bed, 9-bath house overlooking a scenic view of sections of Montego Bay City. This premises is in need of TLC and is being sold as is. It has the potential to accommodate modern updating and creative finishing and comprises additional amenities such as helper's quarters, double carport, jacuzzi tub, and ample yard space for further expansion. The land area of this house is approximately 13,036 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 372,000 or Jamaican $57.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.